So I've been showing you how to do all sorts of PNGtubers and how to capture them in OBS Studio in order to record or live stream. But then I saw some people asking online how to use them in Discord if they just want to hop in a call and not do anything too fancy. Turns out it's extremely simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Now keep in mind, even though we're not live streaming or recording, we will still need OBS Studio. So just make sure you watch my other videos on PNGtubers. Towards the end, I usually show you how to get them into OBS Studio. And then from there, all you want to do is go to your settings, to your controls here, and then click Start Virtual Camera. What that does is basically create a camera that is projecting everything that OBS Studio is quote-unquote broadcasting. Now from there, what I can do is go to my Discord settings, open my user settings, go to voice and video, scroll down until I see camera, and now in my list of cameras, and you can see I have a lot, I will find OBS virtual camera. To make sure that it's working, we're going to click on test video. It'll show it to you, and you will see that it's flipped. Now, that's not a huge deal because we can go back into OBS Studio and flip this. You can right click, transform, flip horizontal, and now back in Discord, it'll be the right way or whatever way you want it to be. Okay, now you can close your settings and then basically hop on a call. Now, mine is not going to work because where I am, Discord is actually throttled, so I'm not even supposed to be able to use Discord like that. But if I go down to turn on camera and I click on it, you can see that my camera is working perfectly fine. From there, all you have to do is click turn on camera and it will appear. Again, mine is not going to work, but that's just because of my connection. You can see there's no route at the bottom here. Nothing to do with the camera not working. It should work for you. If you have Discord and you can get in a call, it'll work for you. Let me turn that off, and just to prove that, again, it works, you can preview camera here and you can see it right there. And this will work with whatever method you're actually using to get your PNGtuber into OBS. Right now, I'm using the image reaction plugin. But if I was capturing something like PNGtuber or Moz3 or any PNG or VTuber software, it will still work. Now, I've seen people talk about very complex setups for the audio, when the truth is all you have to do is just select your mic as if you were in a normal call. Just go voice and video, and up here, you can select whatever mic you have and you'll see your mic working perfectly. If you're using something like voice mod, all you would have to do is select the voice mod input, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you like the video if it was helpful in any way. Subscribe because, well, that's the type of video that I make, and I'll see you later.